Hi, my name is TJ Griner with MarineMax St. Petersburg, and this is my Azimut story. I'm going to do something a little different today. There's not going to be any video editing, I don't have drone footage, and I'm not sitting on a client's boat. This is going to be real time, as you'd see it, at the desk, as if you're a customer. So come on over. Let me tell you the Azimut story. Azimut was founded in 1969 by Paolo Vitelli. The family owned and operated business is celebrating 50 years today. The Azimut Benetti Group is a billion-dollar powerhouse with zero debt. They have the widest range of yachts from 34 to 120 feet. They're operating in 70 countries with 138 sales and service facilities worldwide. Azimut has revolutionized the yachting industry in the last 50 years. They are integrating carbon fiber into their designs. They have the largest fly bridges in their classes and the first yacht builders to develop sunroofs, garages for tenders, as well as squared bows. Azimut has 4 factories in Italy, as you can see from the flag behind me. They have 5,500 boats on the water currently. In Viareggio, one of their main factories, is the yacht building mecca of the world. On one side of the river is resort restaurants, resort-style hotels. On the other side is yacht factories. Azimut only uses world-class designers. Custom Italian furniture designer Achille Savani for interiors, and all exterior designs from Stefano Regini. Azimut's attention to detail is second to none. They consider all engine brands when designing a boat. MAN, Volvo, Cummins, Caterpillar. They use the most efficient and best performing engine for the boat they build. Azimut offers an industry-leading peace of mind warranty. This 3-year warranty is possible due to the level of quality control at the factory, the attention to detail before, during, and after the sale, and the fact that they only use the highest quality material. MarineMax offers a guided tour through the Azimut brand at our MarineMax Yacht Center in Pompano Beach, Florida. And don't miss the galas. There are 4 scheduled for 2018 alone. Ocean Reef, Pompano, Italy, and Nantucket. These events are based around Azimut yacht owners, and great opportunity to meet like-minded people with the same passion for yachting and a premium Italian brand. When you step aboard an Azimut yacht, your senses become immediately stimulated. You'll smell the leather, feel the sun on your skin, and get the taste of true Italian craftsmanship and the design is meant to feel like. I'm TJ Griner, and I truly appreciate the opportunity to talk to you today. I look forward to seeing you on the water.